are you doing?
Oh, that scared me.
Good afternoon.
Oh,
How'd that taste for you?
you're never gonna believe who just tried to move in.
Who?
My mom. I told her no.
Yeah, we already had that mistake once. So.
I don't want roommates. Steve doesn't want roommates.
We've done that too many times. And we've
Not
got
happening.
screwed every single time. So, you know, just to avoid the headache, just... No.
No, I just told her straight. No, it's not happening.
We have, after today we have...
2 days.
Yeah, today's Friday. 2 more days.
So because he doesn't have his phone, because his phone's cracking out, he goes and steals mine when I'm watching videos. And now he won't leave me alone. Got dirt in my mouth.
You have something to say? You have something to say?
Yeah, I do.
You don't?
Yeah, I
Your nose is like completely sideways.
do. Yeah, this is what happens. Yes, this is how... how I love to spend my days. Can't wait till Monday.
Yeah. I don't have to sit in this fucking goddamn thing.
I can clean the house.
Yeah, you better fucking clean the house.
No, just because of that, I'm not going to
Oh
clean the
yeah,
house.
you are.
Can't make me.
Oh yeah, I will. I'll put a bunch of spiders in the house. You'll be moving in no time.
Yeah, I'll be out of the house.
No,
Yeah.
I'll put spiders on the inside.
There is spiders out here. I don't have to touch them and associate.
You're touching
with
me, and I'm a spider.
them. Are you okay?
Oops, it's getting windy. We had a wind warning in effect pretty much all day today, and it's just finally coming in now. It's getting crazy out there. Doesn't look that bad, but it's so dusty right now because it's been so dry for so long, and all the gravel and sand and stuff on the roads. It's I don't know what's wrong with this camera. It's starting to like piss me off now. It keeps like focusing. It doesn't know what to focus on. Crazy ass wind.
It's just a wind out of nowhere.
I know.
Like, I was okay coming in, and then all of a sudden, like, standing there and the door fucking hit me, and I was like... This garbage can right there, I don't know where it came from, but it's moving around. That's how windy it is. Oh, look at there. It moved really good. And it's coming back.
Babe!
Don't.
I just wanted to make sure it focused on you. So, yep, I don't know how so. Well, it's a hole in the ground with water. Anyways, we're 10 more minutes left in our day. Monday we go and get Schizo's claws cut and capped. And then I start my new job on Monday.
Yay!
We had a wicked windstorm that was like shaking the car and stuff, which was pretty cool, but now it's died off. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe tomorrow it might snow. Actually, it probably will, so I better not say that.
Yeah, shh.
Just gonna end this vlog right now because it's I'm tired and I'm just gonna sleep on the way home.
You can't. You gotta drive.
She's gonna drive. Keep your stick on light, stay positive, believe in yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Woo, good night.